If you want to change app lock password on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we can open settings. Now over here in settings, scroll down and go to apps. And then once you open this menu, over here we have the app lock. Now of course we need to enter our password in order to confirm. And there we go. Now we can go to app lock settings by tapping on this setting icon in the upper right corner. And then in here we have the password type. So you have the choice between the privacy protection password, or you can switch and use the screen lock password, or of course the other way around. Now if you already have the privacy protection password created and you want to change it, then in that case we want to go back to settings. Then in here open fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Enter your screen lock password in order to continue, and then over here you should be able to find privacy protection password. Then enter the privacy protection password, and then here we have the option to change it. Tap on the change privacy protection password, enter it one more time, and then you can set the new password. Leave a like and subscribe.